Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I am very excited. We have a new foil bundle design for this week, along with our normal 3 collections, color of the week, characters, and a pop culture doodle. So let's go ahead and get into it. We'll start at the top and work our way down. For the kits, we do have one new exclusive art that I'm very excited for, along with a reformat and then another new art. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, on the pop culture, I wanted to do a Mean Girls sheet. So this one is Katie. There may be more characters coming soon. So this is number 7. So cute, and I love her hair and her little pink polo. Then the scribblers for this week are reading. So it's the normal 6 options. So this is number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute. Then for the color of the week, I think this is where we started rolling into whenever I asked on Facebook for recommendations for colors. This is, I think, the start of it, or might have been last week. I'm not totally sure. But this is the color of the week, which is a really nice, like, charcoal blackish color, which will go great with so many spreads, especially moving into Halloween. And I think whenever we released, like, a darker, like, black color before, there definitely wasn't this many sheets, and there will be the buy all bundle. So if you want to pick that up, that'll be available Wednesday through Monday. Then let's go over the reformat first. So this is Spooky Magique, and I did reformat the boxes. So let's go ahead and get into it, and we'll get into all of the freebies and whatnot. All of the kits this week do come in a mini and an ultimate. So this is the ultimate. So you have your double box, some fashion options, lots of Disney items, and I love the colors of this. I just think it's so fun, and like it almost has like neon vibes without being neon, if that makes sense, when the colors go. Oh, so pretty with that faux sparkle throughout that has like the black with the multicolor, the patterns, the deco, and then the bottom washi with your extra box. This would look so good with so many different foil options. You could do a sparkly hollow. You could pull out the fun colors. You could do a mixed metal with the fun colors. You could do a black. There's plenty of blacks in the shop as well. And then the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is the Castle Tall Box. So stinking cute. Obsessed with this one. So that is the first kit, and this is, again, the reformat of Spooky Magique. The next kit here is new art for this week. This was released by Kitten Stress last week, and this is Rocky. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, I have never seen Rocky Horror Picture Show. Is that what you call it? Yes, I believe so. And it is now on my list, and I'm going to watch it, I think, in September so that I can use the kit then. I just love pop culture kits. I just think they're so fun. So you have like the 2 double box scenes here, and then 2 more kind of like fashion options, and then the 2 flat lays. And I think this kit is just really fun, especially with the colors. And then I have the like Rocky type text right there. So cute. Your extra 2 boxes. Another one that I think would look cool with so many different foils. Personally, I think a sparkly red would be really fun, but there is also a lot of like in pink and purple foil bundles in the shop. Or like I said with the last one, you could even do a black or mix them. Like a black would be really cool with this, like a sparkly black or like the prism black, because those have a lot of like purpley shift in it. So love that. You have the tall box as the freebie in the mini and ultimate. But yeah, I'm excited to watch this and use the kit in September when I do. It's like Halloween, but not Halloween. Anything like spooky kind of gives me that vibes. So let's, oh wait, did I even go through the, hold on. Let's rewind for a second. I didn't go through the add-on options. So you have the labels for Spooky Magique. Label 2, you have the fashion option. You have doodles, magical doodles, functional, ombre. Oh, this is the best part. Fam 1, so cute. So you have this option here, and then you have the option from, why can I not think of the name of the kit? The Disneyland one. I recolored and added like bat tattoos to her. And then also this is from the mystery with the movie outside. Added some fireworks, and then you have like the kiddo there. So cute. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I switched her out because she's in the kit already. So that is Spooky Magique. Now that we're done with that, let's go through the add-on options for Rocky. So you have the label. I just love these colors together. The doodle, the functional, and the ombre. And then last but not least, I'm super excited about this one. So Candace Jess was like, wanted to do this as a custom. And I have never seen this movie before. And I was like, all right, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to take one for the team here and watch a spooky movie. And she's like, you can do it. It's not that scary. And I asked Kirsten, she said, you can do it. It's not that scary. Nick, you can do it. It's not that scary. So I watched it. I was a little spooked at some of the scenes, but I made it through. So here is the kit here. This is the Scream kit, and I am obsessed with the way this turned out. I love everything that Jess put in here. It is just so good. You have like the school scene and all of the different characters here. You have like blood and then different things in here like the Deputy Riley, and then you have the, I don't remember what her name is, the news lady, and then different phones and the voice changer and the ghost face costume, the knife. Oh, just so stinking good. And then you have the little box here that says Scream on it. I already watched Scream this year, so I don't know if I'm going to rewatch it, but I think I'm going to use it in September because I did watch it this year. It was one of the movies, if you watched the plan with me where I had the 2 movie marquees, this is one of the movies I watched. I'm just obsessed. I think it turned out so good. And I love these colors. They're like very vintage, but also like horror with the red and the black. And then you have the extra box here, which has the voice changer with like the hand with the blood. And then you have the bottom washi is so pretty. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the doodles with the like blood splatter pattern on it. I thought that was really, really fun. So that is Scream. And I'm super excited. I'm super excited about all of these. And I'm excited to use them all. And did I even use Spooky Magique before? I think I was like saving if I ever went to Disney for Halloween, so I don't know if I actually ever used it. So I'm excited to use all of these. You have the label sampler if you want to add on, the doodles, the functional, and the ombre. Again, beautiful. Let me know what your favorite kit is this week. And last but not least, let's go into the foil bundle. It is going to come to the shop in 4 foil colors. I don't have plans to bring it in any more as of right now, but let's go ahead into it. I'm going to show you it in silver, and then we'll go over the other foil options. This is a birthday foil bundle, and I'm very excited. I tried to keep it very birthday neutral, so you could use it with any birthday kit, and it just kind of gives it a fun vibe. Also, wanted to make it so that if you wanted to break this apart, let's say, and use it in 2 different spreads to kind of tone it down, there was elements in it that you could pull other like foil like designs into it. So if you look closely, there are stars, there is little confetti bits, so you can use a star foil bundle with it. You could use a tiny or chunky confetti. You could even use there's like little sparkles. You could use a sparkle foil bundle or even shimmer. I think you could kind of mix all of them together however you want to kind of create either a full birthday if you want to use just the bundle, or if you want to kind of like add a couple of birthday elements to, let's say, a star foil bundle. I think that would work as well. So you have the 6 boxes here. You have the 2 corners. You have the top that you can use as a double box with these 2 together that has just like the balloons and confetti. You have the 4 corners, and then you have the stroke boxes, and then you have the header overlays with all of the different shapes in them. But like I said, definitely mix and match with your regular foils. It's just gonna be so good. You have the 2 pages of bougie boxes. You have, this is like the newer page with these scripts. I just love them so much. And the mini icons. You have the bottom washi, which is that balloon and confetti, so pretty, and then balloon animals. But again, you could totally break this up, maybe use a bow and just this, or just use this and then maybe like some confetti or stars. The world is your oyster. You have the date numbers, the deco, and then the fancy headers, which are banners, which I think would be cute on the sidebar, but also cute to kind of mix in through the week as well. So pretty, but also like super neutral, and will work with most any birthday spreads in my opinion. So it will be available in silver, it'll be available in gold, sparkly hollow, and also lavender hollow. So I feel like you have a nice little basis there between the 4 of them, and I'm very excited for this, and I plan on using this with basically everyone's birthday who is coming up, which I feel like the winter time and the springtime it's just birthday. So I'm excited to use those. So Hope you all love this week's new releases. I am super excited to be getting into kind of spooky season. Let me know which kit is your favorite of this week down below, or what you plan on purchasing. It's just a good time of the year, and then we get into Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of the year. It just makes me all warm and fuzzy on the inside. But that is everything for this week. I will talk to y'all in my next video.